Isip pong tumutulong sa akin, kuya. Siya po nagbibigay ng lakas ng loob sa akin. Na, di ba yan lang ang loob, kuya? Siya din lang din yung nag-comfort sa akin, kuya. Buga, kuya, siya lang din yung naging lakas ng loob ko para magsastay lang din talaga dito.
365 days ago, happiness shook hands with me like never before. I chose it. I chose to move forward and be the best version of myself. I was just being me back then, showing who Elise was to the world. Then, serendipity crashed all my hugots and surrounded me with loving people who made me a happier and a stronger person. To Mark Carlos, Sir, Mokya, Superman, partner, and yung huling nickname mo na secret lang natin. Our beginning was unexpected, but it was real. Everyone knows our story, but only we know what it really is. Masaya ako dahil nakilala kita. Ang daming naging blessings na kasama ka, ang daming naging opportunities na kasama ka, ang daming experiences na maaalala ko habang buhay. Pero bukod pa doon, masaya ako sa journey natin. Madaming challenges na patuloy na sumusubok sa ating dalawa, pero kasabay nun, ang mga life lessons na natutunan ko dahil sa'yo. Through the ups and downs, magkasama tayo, partner. Kapit lang. You taught me how to live a happy life, and with that, I am thankful that I get to live this crazy, beautiful life with you.